Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video we'll be looking at how to trade volatility 75 using the breakout action. Okay, if you have been looking for the sure way to come into the market to trade volatility 75, then you need to look out for breakout action after knowing your trend. This is very important. Okay, once you are sure of your trend, then you need to look out for your breakout actions. Okay, this will help you to know when to go into a trade and when to exit a trade. Okay, I'll be showing you how to achieve this easily in today's video. But before going fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially in the forex niche. So feel free to browse through my channel. They are all training videos that can get you started immediately, so watch them. Make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. This is very vital and important. Okay, so if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will also be dropping them in the description box below this video. And also quickly, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. Okay, let's quickly go into what we have for today. But before doing that, let's check out what is happening in the market. I'll be starting with boom 1000, and I'm using the signal indicator for it. Okay, as you can see, boom 1000 was on uptrend before this long downtrend. The long downtrend started from here after breaking out from the line. Okay, so to this level, this actually gave us 50 candles, which means that if you had followed this indicator, you would have made a lot of profits within the last 50 minutes. Okay, but it got to this support level, which it has gotten to before, and which led to an uptrend, and that is why we are the spike, a very long spike happening, and we are likely to have another spike happening if it does not break the next support level. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with crash 1000. Okay, for crash 1000, I'm using the crusher indicator here. Okay, I'm using the crusher indicator here. It's been going up and down. Okay, it's been going up and down, but at a certain point, at the early hour of today, we saw that it went on uptrend. We got a buy signal here, but got confirmed a little bit late and gave us this actually gave us 26 minutes candles before this little drop down, but it was still on the green area, so which means that you can still come in and trade. Okay, this also gave us 37 minute candles. Combination of the two is more than 1 hour. Okay, the same thing also happened here, but right now the market is coming down. You can see the red region. It is showing that it is coming down. Okay, so this is the crusher indicator that I have just used to analyze the crash market. Okay, crash 1000 market. Let's check out what is happening with boom 500, and I'll be using the QDC scraper indicator here. Okay, for this QDC scraper indicator shows that the market is on downtrend. It started the downtrend. It started this downtrend journey starting from here. Okay, from here, and ever since it's been going down, even though there are spikes in between, but the spikes are not strong enough to take it back to the beginning of the trend. Okay, so it is still on downtrend at the moment. So if you must trade, be careful, trade carefully, do your analysis very well. The only thing it's trying to do is to break this support level. If it breaks this support level successfully, then you see it shooting down totally. Let's check out what is happening with crash 500. I'm using the NT indicator for days for crash 500. Like I said yesterday, that once this is 1 hour time frame, once it breaks this region, you can see the two lines. Once it breaks this region downward, then we should expect a downtrend. But if it breaks it above, if it breaks this resistance above, then we should experience an uptrend. So what I expected you to do when I did this analysis was to spot out these two regions on your chart and wait for the breakout. You can see it broke out successfully and it came down to this level. These are 1 hour time 1 hour candles. Okay, let's check out the number of candles created. This is about 16 candles. That means it has been on downtrend for good 16 minutes. This is amazing. So that is how you do your analysis whenever you are trading. You don't just trade blindly. Okay, make sure you know what you are doing before you jump into the trade, and whatever indicator you are using, make sure you understand the way it works and apply the rules and regulation guiding it before you start using it on your real account. Okay, I'll be stopping here with the analysis. Okay, remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me, and also if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Okay, let's go into what we have for today. How to trade volatility 75 using the breakout action. Okay, that is what we are looking at today. Actually, I'm taking my time to treat this topic, volatility 75, because for a very long time I didn't say anything about it, and I have so many people asking me about it, that is it still profitable, is it something they can actually look into and make some profits with. Of course you can look into it and make some profits with it, and the good thing about it is it does not have the sudden spikes that occur in boom and crash, but it is more volatile than boom and crash, and you can lose quite a lot of money if you are not very careful, and you can also make a lot of money if you actually know your way around it. And sometimes, or in most cases, once you go into the market, even if you are in the right direction, you notice that your trade goes into negative immediately, and it can be in negative for more than 5 minutes, and you'll be scared. Sometimes you even close the trade at loss without allowing it to materialize into something reasonable for you. Okay, just most people close it just at the tip of getting then into their promised land. So that is why you need to understand the way it works and how to trade it successfully before you jump into it. So quickly, I will be explaining to you how to trade using the price action, using the breakout action. Okay, but the first thing you need to do is, I'm very sure you guys should know the first thing, and the first thing is knowing the trend of the market. Okay, once you are sure of the trend of the market, then you are good to go. The reason is it is a trend trading asset. If it is on downtrend and you are trading the uptrend, you are likely to lose your money. This is very, very important. So after knowing that, what I need you to do is to take it to 1 hour time frame. Okay, this strategy is actually good for those that want to trade for long, and for those that are having good trading capital and a reasonable lot size that the capital can accommodate. Okay, this is very, very important. Okay, and you can also scalp trade within this region if you know your way about it, but let me quickly share this with you. Okay, after putting it on 1 hour time frame in order to get cool and direct signal, okay, using this setup, okay, make sure you know your trend. For instance, the trend is on downtrend here. Okay, the trend is on downtrend here, so which means any signal that is any sell signal will be more stronger than a buy signal. Okay, let me repeat that again. Any sell signal will be more stronger than a buy signal. This is the first strategy I'm sharing with you. I'm going to share the second strategy very soon. Okay, the next thing you need to look out for is on the main chart here. On the main chart here, when you get a sell signal, okay, you can actually come in, but you earn more when it breaks out from a support level. That is for sell signal. When it breaks out from a support level, how do you identify this easily? Your 4MA candles can actually help you. This QDC 4MA candles can actually help you to achieve it easily. You can see that around there the price action was moving, parabolating around this area. it finds it difficult to break this section at this particular point. But check it out. After it was broken, check out this. Something happened. Okay, it went down. Check it out. It went down to this level. You can see that this is 16-minute candles. It went down to this level, so you can always play around here, and you can place your order and close it once you have your buy order popping out. Okay, you close it immediately. This is amazing profit for you. Check out for the buy order too. For the buy order, this is what you get. You wait for it to break out. Once it breaks out, then you can come in and buy. Okay, but I will advise you to always buy whenever the market is on uptrend. You can only do that for a few minutes. If it is on downtrend and you get your buy order, you can see the breakout action to an uptrend journey. Okay, so let's see more. You can see that it didn't break out here. Actually, you can also sell using the signal arrow, since so far it is on a downtrend. I did a video on this in my last video, so you can check that out to see how to do that successfully. But for today, I'm talking about the breakout action. Check out here. Broke out from here again, but check it out. It broke out from there, and it came down and down and down and down to this level. So you can always close it here. This is 23 candles of 1 hour, which each of the candles took 1 hour to be formed, which means that you can be in the market for 23 hours, almost a day, selling. You can see this, almost a day selling, continuous selling. So this is amazing. You can actually do this, and check out, it is still ranging within that area. It's trying to break out from here, but was unable to break out. Testing it again here, and it has bounced it back again. But let's say you didn't close it and you were trailing it with your stop loss. Do you know that you could still be in the market from here to this level? This is 43 hours, being in the market for 43 hours. This is how you can use it to trade successfully. You can target the breakout actions and come in and trade successfully. Either you are selling or you are buying. Okay, you can target it. The same thing is applicable to buying. When the market is green, you follow the buy signal. You can follow the buy signal. If it breaks out successfully, just like here, it broke out from here. You can see it breaks out from there and it went up to this level. And another one is this. You can see it breaking out from here and went up to this level. So this is how you can use it to trade. You can see you can do that over and over. The same thing happens from here. It broke out from there and got up to this level. You can do that over and over and over every day, okay, and make lots and lots of profit with this. Okay, I want you to have this set up on your demo account. Go through this video, try to understand every steps highlighted in this video, practice it on your demo throughout the day, and send the screenshot of your results to me on WhatsApp. I would like to see your performance on this, so that we will know where you are getting it wrong or how you have done well with your analysis. Okay, and if there is any correction I need to make, then I will definitely do that. And if there is something that you are not clear of, then you can ask your question, so that I will be able to explain better, so that you will be able to apply that in your next practice before trying it out in your real account. Okay, that is how it goes. Okay, if you have any question, feel free to contact me, and I will be dropping this in the description box below this video. Remember, if you love these videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.